Welcome to my English learning channel. In this channel, I will share tips, strategies, and activities to help you improve your English skills. My goal is to make your language learning enjoyable and effective. Get ready to dive into a world of language learning where I'll provide practical guidance and engaging content to improve your proficiency. Let's start this exciting adventure together, and please follow my Instagram and Facebook. Their links are in caption. Now let's start our first lesson with present simple. First, we need to learn how to make present simple. Afterward, we will learn when to use present simple. Let's start with affirmative. Affirmative means positive statement, like I am a teacher. This is a simple positive statement. Before that, I think it's best to learn a little about verbs. Be verbs are am, is, are. And then we have action verbs like walk, drink, eat, talk. These are the verbs that shows that we are doing something. There is an action going on. So, let's remember, when we are making a simple present sentence, we never put be verbs and action verbs together in one sentence. For example, we never say, I am drink tea. We say, I drink tea. We never say, you are walk to school. We say, you walk to school. Now that we talked about be and action verbs, let's see what are these be verbs. It's piece of cake. We have 3 be verbs. Am, is, are. I am. I am. He is. She is. It is. You are. We are. They are. That's it. Now, let's look at some examples together. I am a teacher. You are Turkish. He is happy. She is beautiful. Now, let's remember, he is used for a boy. She is used for a girl. It is a dog. Now, let's remember, it is used for animals or things like desk, apple, ball, and etc. You are happy. We are students. They are doctors. Now, let's look at some exercises or questions together. When you see them, I give you some time. You can give your answers. Afterwards, we can check together. Let's start. Well, let's check the answers together. I am hungry. She is sad. He is strong. It is a bicycle. You are a pilot. We are engineers. They are musicians. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. Stay tuned for my next video. See you soon!